Kevin, thank you so much for joining us today. As you know, this is what we call Healthcare HotShots. This is where I talk to founders and CEOs and allow them to give a 60-second elevator pitch. And I'm happy to have you on here. And are you ready to give your pitch today?
I sure am. Thanks for the opportunity.
Oh, I know you're going to kill this. So your time starts now, Kevin.
Hi, my name is Kevin Bly, CEO of 𝐁𝐁𝐬𝐬 𝐁𝐿. We're a spinal implant and orthobiologics distribution organization. But as opposed to the majority of the market, we're really a unique business model. What we do most of the time is we're the transactional entity with the hospital, surgery center, or healthcare system that's actually purchasing the product. What that allows us to do is aggregate a portfolio of many small and mid-sized manufacturers to create a dynamic offering of products to our surgeons and the hospital systems. And we also have the ability to make very local decisions. What that means is we can sit down and come up with creative solutions to think outside the box to address a lot of the needs of the distributors, manufacturers, and hospital systems, as well as the surgeons that are challenging the healthcare system today.
Well done and well said. And as we always talk about in a lot of our conversations, PPI is a huge spend item. It's a problem for hospitals, and sounds like you guys have a solution that's kind of all encompassing.
We think it's unique. It's evolved. I'd like to say that we came up with a lot of the ideas of what we're doing, but frankly, many of them were reactionary to what the market was telling us. So we've just been nimble and flexible and able to create a company that is very responsive to what the needs of the market are right now.
Well, I appreciate you hopping on here and doing this. Thank you so much, Kevin. Well done. And we'll be in touch.
Appreciate the time. Thanks.
All right, Kevin, thanks so much for that. I have one more question for you. And I'm going to give you 60 seconds to answer. What are the top sales challenges that you face, and what do you do to overcome them?
That's a good question. And I think ours are not any more unique than anybody else's. We're dealing with successful prospects, every group that we're talking to. If it's a health system, they feel that they're making the right decisions. If it's a distributor that we're talking to, they feel like they're successful and have great positive relationships. And clearly, if it's surgeons and manufacturers, they feel the same thing. So every day we're out challenging the status quo of talking to successful people in the space, which is a challenge. But once we are able to articulate our value proposition and really have a second level conversation with them, most of the time when they let their guards down a little bit, they realize that thinking outside the box to come up with creative solutions helps them yield better outcomes. Because ultimately it's about lowering cost and delivering better healthcare to get the best possible patient outcomes. And everything that we do supports that amongst all of our stakeholders. So we're really proud to do that all the time. It's just articulating that proposition to the people we're talking to.
Well said. And again, to your point, everybody's got an issue somewhere in that whole sales pipeline, and you just got to get people to listen. And you've got to, sounds like a very good value proposition, but try to get their attention. And but I appreciate you hopping on here today. I thought you did a great job, and I enjoyed learning a little bit more about you guys. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Appreciate the opportunity.